Good morning from Chungju. We are taking a short trip out to the Chungju Dam because that's where the next stamp box is for this last leg that we have been on. It's a brisk 8 degrees, I think Cecile said. It's only 8 kilometres, but we thought we'd do it the easy way since the checkout at the hotel wasn't until 1 o'clock. We can leave our luggage there and do it much more comfortably, because then we have a 40k ride to the onsen town. Just as well we didn't decide to camp anywhere, because there's nowhere to camp. There's the box, just there. It's a bit of a thing. Hey. Here in Korea, nothing really opens until 10 o'clock. Very rarely you find something open at 7 o'clock, if you're lucky.
So yeah, this is the last stamp of the Namhangang bicycle path, and then later on today we'll start on the Seijay bicycle path.
The Chungju Dam, located further up the road, is one of 3 multi-purpose dams that provide water to northern Korea, including Seoul.
But there's somewhere to eat at the end of the Chungju Dam bicycle path. There's a restaurant over there. There's a coffee shop just down below. And there's a noodle shop up the top.
We've just come back from the dam. We're back at the hotel and have a coffee. I think it's a cold coffee, but we might be able to heat it up. A pastry, some eggs, and another coffee. And this is our view, having our morning breakfast picnic.
The meat is on.
So we're leaving Chungju. It's been a great stay. We're a little lost, taking a wrong turn somewhere, trying to get back on track. Shall I have a look on the map? Lost in Korea.
Cecile got her speed up. That's not going to help. So how's this for some hothouse agriculture? There must be, I don't know, it'd have to be 100 plus acres just in this little bit, all covered up. Seems to be the spring onion season over here. They are everywhere. Onions. And we've started to see a lot of soft leaf lettuce being grown too. So we are almost to the point of starting the CJ bicycle path, which leaves the river and goes across country to meet up with the next set of rivers on the other side of the mountain range. But why I'm taking this photo is there is 3 public bins here, which is a rarity. Like, I think this is the first set of bins I've seen since we left Seoul. Well done, Korea.
Hello.
물포가
Coffee? Coffee?
찬물.
Yes.
Scumble?
커피.
Coffee?
커피 여기.
Thank you. He says he has coffee as well.
Hey?
He says he has coffee as well.
Yeah, I'll listen to you.
Yeah.
Coffee, bread, and bread.
It's a pretty spot here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
In the river.
Just a few houses and
Lovely. So yeah, this nice man just came and brought us some coffee. No questions asked. So we think this is a fish restaurant.
it says raw sliced fish on the.
Oh, sashimi.
그건 아닌가 봐. 미국,
We give you some money?
USA,
No. Australia.
아 오스트리아, 아
Australia.
오스트리아.
Yes. We give you some money for coffee? No?
노노노,
Sure?
노노.
Thank you.
예, 예.
감사합니다.
빈,
Pin,
공항, 빈, 오스트리아,
Australia.
오스트리아 빈 공항,
Penguin?
빈 공항,
The penguin?
비행기. 뭐 말을
그냥 간단한 것만.
They cut out the sark.
Oh.
So you come in. You come here.
How do you say cheers in Korean?
Cheers, ganbye.
Ganbye?
Ganbye.
Is it ganbye or no? Korean?
코리아는 간바이가 아니고 건배.
Konbae.
Konbae.
예, 건배.
Konbae. Okay.
일본 이게 뭐 간바인가 뭐예요?
Konbae.
Konbae, konbae.
Good luck.
What's your name? Your name?
Name.
My name's Cecile.
나이
Nay.
Nay.
Crichton. 73. Cheers. Camping cafe. This is probably where we were going until we got pulled up by the shop owner of the last place, which was a fish shop. He bought out a cup of coffee just without any hesitation. Hi. So we put over and say hello.
We had a lovely conversation with this couple who had completed many bikepacking trips. They mentioned that with each trip they reduced their gear and now they each carry just one pannier. That sounds like a great approach to me.
Going into the mountains.
I don't get tired of seeing these apple blossoms. Yeah. Little day camping area. How's this little waterfall pond? But like everywhere in Korea, no swimming is allowed. I don't get that, but how could you look at that and not go for a swim? And the water actually looks clean here. Suanbo Hot Springs. Suanbo Hot Springs. 2 kilometers.